Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to connect a third-party domain to your Squarespace website. This is a crucial step if you want to use a custom domain you already own with your Squarespace site, giving your online presence a more professional and branded feel. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to smartsheet.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can access all your websites and projects. Now that you're on the homepage, take a moment to locate the specific website where you want to connect your third-party domain. You might have multiple sites listed, so make sure you're selecting the right one. Once you've found it, click on the three dots icon next to that website. This will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, click on Settings to access the configuration area for your site. You'll now see the Settings panel open up. On the left side of this panel, look for the option labeled Domains and Email and click on it. This section is where you'll manage all domain-related settings for your website, including connecting external domains you've purchased from other providers. Within the Domains and Email section, click on Domains to proceed. This is the hub for all domain management activities. To connect a third-party domain that you already own, you need to click on the option that says Use a domain I own. This tells Squarespace that you're not purchasing a new domain through them, but rather linking an existing one. Next, you'll be prompted to input your domain name into the provided field. Type it in carefully, making sure there are no typos, and then press Enter. After submitting, the system will need a moment to process and verify your domain, so be patient while it loads. This verification step ensures that the domain you're trying to connect is valid and available for linking. Once the loading is complete, you'll see a button labeled Connect Domain. Click on it to move forward. You'll then be asked to select your domain provider from a list. Choose the provider where you originally purchased your domain, whether that's GoDaddy, Namecheap, or another registrar. This helps Squarespace provide you with the correct DNS settings for your specific provider. After selecting your provider, click Connect Domain again to confirm your choice. A confirmation screen will appear, and you'll need to click Continue to proceed with the connection process. Now here's an important note. The connection process can take up to 48 hours to fully complete. This is because DNS changes need time to propagate across the internet. During this period, your domain may not immediately point to your Squarespace site, so don't worry if it doesn't work right away. After the initial connection, you may need to set up your DNS settings if required. Squarespace will provide you with specific instructions based on your domain provider, which typically involves adding certain records to your domain's DNS configuration. Follow those instructions carefully to ensure everything is properly connected, and that's it. You've successfully initiated the connection between your third-party domain and your Squarespace website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.